How's it going, guys? Colin here from Trail Thrills, and in today's video we will be showing you guys our camp setup and also what we're cooking up for dinner tonight at Jeep Jamboree USA. This won't be a trailing video, it'll just be showing camp and our dinner. Alright guys, so we backed the Jeep up right here next to the woods in the background, and this is a pretty nice campsite away from a lot of people. And then we have our chairs set up over here, our tent that goes off the Jeep right here, or awning I should say, and that thing's pretty nice. And then we also have our tailgate table opened all up with a bunch of new Jeep Jamboree stickers. We have our cooking set up right here. We're getting ready to cook some shrimp for dinner. And then we have the tent over there, and you can see in the background we have the trailer and the truck. We did end up trailering the Jeep here. We have all our food over here, all the food that doesn't need to be refrigerated I should say, and then our Yeti coolers over there with all the refrigerated food. And then we also do have our sink area with this pretty sad looking sink. It's kind of like a jellyfish. And then over here we have our bucket to clean the dishes with a sponge in there. We already cooked up some lunch, so we had to do some of that. So that's pretty much our basic camp setup. Nothing fancy, just a ground tent, an awning, and then the Jeep. So let's show you guys what we're cooking up for dinner. Alright guys, so this is what we're cooking up for dinner. We've got shrimp right here, which should be pretty easy to make. We have some hot dogs, some buns, we have some rice that's already ready to cook, so that should be no problem. And then we have some oils and some lemon pepper seasoning. So let's start cooking. Alright guys, so the first thing we are doing is we are thawing out the shrimp, since it is frozen shrimp, but that's fine for us seeing as that we are on the trail. Alright guys, so the shrimp is still cooking. It's looking pretty good. And we just put the rice on the stove, so that should cook up pretty quickly. So it's looking good so far. We also did get a fire started because we are going to cook our hot dogs on a grate above the fire. So that should be pretty cool. Wow guys, look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. So we're going to have shrimp at camp. That's pretty cool. So the shrimp is done and the rice is also done. So now we're going to head over and start cooking up the hot dogs. Alright guys, so look at this. We got the shrimp, the rice, and then some pretzel rods. We're going to have the hot dogs afterwards. But a little bit of a weird combination, but you know what? It looks delicious. Alright Dad, so how's the shrimp?
Excellent.
Yeah, it looks good. Alright guys, so we are pretty stuffed from dinner, but you know what? You always got to save room for some s'mores. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to cook up some s'mores, and then we also have the fire going over here, and we get the beautiful sunset up over there. So we're pretty much just going to eat s'mores, then chill out for a little bit, and then go to bed. So make sure you check out our next video if you want to see the trailing, and we want to thank you guys for watching this video.